Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, welcome to Test Prep Training. In this video you will learn about some commonly asked questions in Microsoft Dynamics 365 for field service. So let's get started. Question number 1. You are a Dynamics 365 for field service administrator. Your organization wants to use Connected Field Service for existing customer assets. You install Connected Field Service and set up Azure IoT Central, but it seems no alerts are being received in Dynamics 365 for the devices. You need to find the issue and resolve it. Which action should you choose? Your options are: A. Configure the Create CFS Alerts from IoT Central workflow within Dynamics 365. B. Create the IoT Connected Device Connection role to link devices to customer assets. C. Register the device in Dynamics 365 Connected Field Service. D. Configure the Create CFS Alerts from IoT Central within Microsoft Flow. The correct answer is option D. Question number 2. You are a Dynamics 365 for Field Service Administrator. You install and configure Connected Field Service with Azure IoT Central. Several of your connected devices sent alerts back to Dynamics 365 and work orders were created. However, the work orders were not sent back to Azure IoT Central. You need to resolve the issue. Which action should you take to resolve the issue? Your options are: A. Configure the Microsoft Flow when a work order is created in Connected Field Service, update IoT Central. B. Create an IoT command in Dynamics 365 to trigger an update in IoT Central. C. Configure the Dynamics 365 workflow when a work order is created in Connected Field Service, update IoT Central. D. Create an IoT action in Dynamics 365 to trigger an update in IoT Central. The correct answer is option A. Question number 3. You are a Dynamics 365 for Field Service Consultant. One of your Dynamics 365 customers wants to decrease the number of repair appointments by sending fewer technicians on site. You need to provide a recommendation of which solution your customer should use to achieve their request. What should you recommend? Your options are: A. Azure IoT Hub. B. Connected Field Service. C. Dynamics 365 for Field Service. D. Crew Scheduling. The correct answer is option B. Question number 4. Conoso Limited has just acquired a new company in order to increase the services it offers to its customers. Conoso Limited wants to ensure that it is able to track all of the stages in its service management workflow, including the services offered by the new service company. You need to configure Dynamics 365 CE for field services to ensure that all of the necessary status values are configured correctly to track your company's unique business process. Which action must you perform? Your options are: A. Edit the existing system status field values. B. Create the necessary substatus values. C. Create the necessary system status values. D. Create the necessary service task values. The correct answer is option B. Question number 5. As a new startup field services company, you are looking to streamline your customer service process, to provide the best customer service experience. Your company has decided to implement Dynamics Field Services as the foundation for its customer service management processes. You need to ensure that the cases that the customer service team creates can be quickly and efficiently converted to work orders, that will minimize the need to add additional information to the work orders, using the out-of-the-box capabilities. Which key item do you need to configure before the customer service agents will be able to convert a case to a work order? Your options are: A. Resources. B. Work order types. C. Booking rules. D. Incident type. The correct answer is option D. Question number 6. Your company is expanding nationally. You need to configure tax codes for a new territory, so the company can start to operate in the new territory. You realize that you can identify which field service record types the tax code will be applied to. Which 3 field service record types are taxable within the new tax code? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Your options are: A. Agreements. B. Services. C. Purchase orders. D. Products. The correct answers are option A, B, and D. Question number 7. You are entering products and services into Dynamics 365 CE Field Services. You need to ensure that your field technicians can use the products when completing work orders. Which two field service product types should you configure to allow your technicians to add work order products? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Your options are A. Product, B. Non-inventory, C. Inventory, D. Service. The correct answers are option C and D. Question number 8. The Field Service Team Manager needs you to give a new technician user access to the system. The technician will use the mobile application to fill out work orders when they are on site doing field work to repair factory motors at customer sites. When the dispatcher takes vacation, the new technician user will manage dispatcher functions. Which two field service security roles will the new technician user need? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Your options are A. Field Service Dispatcher, B. Field Service App Access and Field Service Resource, C. Field Service Mobile User, D. Field Service User. The correct options are option A and B. Question number 9. You are Dynamics 365 for Field Service Dispatcher reviewing automatically generated bookings for optimization of the schedule. You notice that, for certain customers, work orders are being generated without service tasks, products, or services, when they should have them documented from the agreement. Which two of the following should you troubleshoot? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Your options are A. Incident type contains appropriate service tasks, products, and services. B. Incident type field copy incident items to agreement is marked yes. C. Agreement booking setup field auto-generate work order is marked yes. D. Agreement booking setup contains appropriate service tasks, products, and services. The correct answers are option B and D. Question number 10. You are Dynamics 365 for Field Service Administrator for a construction company. You need to schedule a work order for a group of resources that will work together for a set number of days, week, or months. How should you achieve the goal without scheduling the same requirements multiple times manually by using the schedule board, or with a schedule assistant? Your options are A. Use facility scheduling, B. Use multi-resource scheduling, C. Use resource crew scheduling, D. Use universal resource scheduling. The correct answer is option B. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.